Well, technology has become almost hand in hand with comic books over the last few years. The new Internet Explorer has kind of, come up with a lot of cool new features and exciting, things that you can do with an internet browser, and they want to kind of show that off.
Internet Explorer came to Bradley Montgomery with Internet Explorer 10 and wanting a unique way to show off the capabilities. We've always been a huge fan of the stuff that Skybound has put out, from Walking Dead to Invincible, and when we heard that Thief of Thieves was coming out, we instantly contacted Skybound to see if we could get a relationship with Thief of Thieves and Internet Explorer to build an experience to showcase the browser's capabilities.
It's a story about a guy who's middle-aged and who basically has this fantastic life on the surface. He's this master thief that can get anything he wants, but he made a decision in his past to kind of focus on his profession over his family, and he wants to get that back. And Thief of Thieves is really about his journey trying to fix things. You're going to be able to, create an alias for yourself and turn yourself into a thief, which is really exciting. So it's going to be a pretty fun little thing, and will tie in greatly with the comic book series.
The biggest thing I'd like developers to do after this experience is to think of the web as someplace they can build their application for first. Get out there, build something in HTML5 so you have something that runs everywhere.
How do we use the best possible technologies available at this time to present this to the user?
I think it's kind of a showcase for what can be done, but this is really a very immersive, interactive experience that is completely built around SVG.
Internet Explorer 10 handles SVG graphics and rendering and overall graphic performance extremely well.
The comic style that's done in Thief of Thieves is kind of an old retro heavy black style, and it fits with SVG quite well, and you can actually create very complex looking images that are resolution independent with a relatively small amount of size. The dream to create a full experience much like Adobe Flash. Well, Thief of Thieves is doing the same thing that those technologies provided us, but it's doing it in an open manner.
For instance, there's a safe cracking minigame to where users can actually, using touch gestures, manipulate the combination lock on a safe to kind of crack the code. And same thing also with bomb defusal. There's a bomb on the screen, and you're tasked with drawing the wires to the appropriate connectors.
Having to have multiple points of articulation is something that you normally only see in native type applications. And in this case, we're able to do it in the browser directly.
Things like the mugshot drawing application, where we take things like touch position. We do things like look at touch sensitivity, like the pressure of the touch on the screen.
We didn't build a different site for tablets or the web. What we did was we built one site, and in the code in the back end developed to be a responsive design that could then scale and alter itself. The boundaries are being pushed every day for HTML5. And Microsoft Internet Explorer really encouraged developers out there to keep pushing those boundaries, to use experiences like Thief of Thieves as an example of what's possible.
I think it's a really fun time to be a part of this and to see what other people are doing. Seeing something done and then seeing how that solution can inspire another one, and you can take it even further. Most of all, I think what this does is it really introduces Thief of Thieves in a great way, but our hope at the end of it is that people continue to get excited about this series and really go and check out the current issues and then future issues that are coming along.
One of the best things about the internet is being able to kind of break down that barrier is really just a cool thing, and it's great to be able to give back to the fans with these new and exciting experiences, and also to interact with them in a really kind of cool way.